Hi, Kevin here. I'm getting ready to fix one of those minute rice casseroles. Now, minute rice casseroles are not my favorite things in the world, all right? But Mr. Fox absolutely loves them. And the reason he loves minute rice casseroles is because his mother used to make them when Mr. Fox was a boy in the 1950s. So let me show you the ingredients we're going to use. So what I have here is 1 pound of lean ground turkey. I think it's 97% lean. And by the way, you can mix, bake, and serve the casserole in one baking dish. So it's very convenient. Okay, and then I'm going to add some vegetables from the garden. So I have 2 smallish yellow bell peppers and 1 medium-large onion. It was a very good year for onions and for peppers. Put those right on top of the turkey. Probably have more vegetables than turkey in this casserole. And then I'm going to add 1 8-ounce can of tomato sauce. Also going to add 6-ounce can of tomato paste. The paste is going to really enhance the tomato flavor in the casserole. Get that in there. And then I want to add some sliced black olives. Now this is how many ounces? This is a 3.8 ounce can. I'm going to add, about 3/4 of it. Sorry, I had to turn off the camera. That was a text coming in from CVS. Yeah, I'm going to add, I'll add about half of the can. Okay, and then what do I need? I need garlic powder, about half a teaspoon, and onion powder because I like onion powder. Again, about half a teaspoon. And salt. About half a teaspoon. This is kosher salt. And 1 cup of minute rice. And I will talk more about minute rice after I put the casserole in the oven. And by the way, my oven is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Finally, add 1 cup of water. And then, hold tight, I'm going to put on my food prep gloves. All right, gloved hands. And just squish everything together. This is really like making a meatloaf without eggs. And later, I will be garnishing this casserole with some fresh parsley from the garden. I've been drying my parsley, but I still have a lot of it growing. It tends to grow really well in the fall because the weather is cooler. All right, and that's it. I'm going to pop this in the oven and set the timer for 14 minutes. And we'll come back and then I'll talk with you about this stuff, minute rice. Yeah, so minute rice was invented in 1939 by an Afghanistan-born scientist named Atala Ozai Durrani. What he discovered was that you could cook, dehydrate, and rehydrate rice. And when he rehydrated the rice, it just cooked up perfectly. In 1941, Durrani brought his invention to the General Foods Corporation. He actually walked into one of the executives' office carrying the rice, a pot, and a portable stove. He cooked the rice, showed them how quickly it cooked, and General Foods immediately bought the product. In 1941, General Foods started marketing the rice, I think just regionally. And shortly thereafter, the rice was used as a ration for American GIs during World War II. And in 1949, General Foods ran a national advertising campaign on television. So this was the really early days of television. It was even before I Love Lucy. And soon thereafter, Minute Rice could be found in almost every American household. And obviously, it's still available today. All right, so I will come back when the casserole is ready, and meanwhile, I'm going to fix a salad to go along with the casserole. So we'll be back. All right, here's the casserole all baked. And again, that was at 350 degrees for 14 minutes. So I'm going to let this cool for a few minutes, and then I'll show you what it looks like on the plates. All right, here's the dinner, and all I have to do is garnish the casserole with some of the freshly minced parsley. Always sprinkle parsley from on high. All right, I thought I should give you a close-up. So here's the casserole that I garnished with the parsley. And then we're having some LeSuer peas. And we're having a spring mix salad with Granny Smith apples that I marinated in Brianna's home-style blush wine vinaigrette. That was Mr. Fox's serving. Here is mine, same thing. And here's the leftover casserole. So we will have enough for at least 2 more servings that we will probably have tomorrow. Okay, I should probably taste the casserole for you. Here it is. It's not bad. And the vegetables are still tender crisp. I can taste the garlic powder and of course the wonderful tomato sauce, which just contributes so much. Yeah, this is very good. Well, the next time you need to get dinner on the table very quickly and for very little effort, you might like to consider this minute rice casserole or some variation of it. You could use ground beef or ground chicken. If you're vegan, you could use, I don't know, Beyond Burger or one of those vegan type ground foam meat products. All right, so thanks so much for watching. I will post the list of ingredients in the description box below, and I will see you next time. Okay, bye for now.